In this video, we're going to show you how you can easily log out or sign out of your Monopoly Go account on both iPhone or Android devices. So if you need to sign out of your Monopoly Go account because you don't want to use it on this specific device anymore, or you simply want to switch to another account, then you want to open the Monopoly Go application on your mobile device and then tap on the 3 horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen. Once you tap here, this side menu will show up with a couple of options, and we will tap on the Settings option with the little gear icon. That's going to open up the Settings page, and from here, tap on Manage Account. When we open this, you'll see that we have an option to disconnect from our Apple or Facebook accounts, depending on which account you have connected in the app. I'm logged into Monopoly Go with my Facebook account, but you may have your Apple ID connected. The process is still the same for logging out. Just click on the Disconnect button next to the Facebook or Apple logo, and then confirm your decision by clicking here. And all we have to do now is to exit the Monopoly Go app from the app switcher and then reopen it. When we open the app one more time, you'll see that we are on the login screen, and we had successfully logged out or signed out of our Monopoly Go account on mobile. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.